'Tis the season for that kind of stuff, yeah. What a blah day today.
I know, just dreary all over the place, and even a little bit of that misting rain that you can't really do anything
Dirty
with.
up your car.
Yeah, it's just kind of gross outside. But the cloud cover still hanging on even this evening. A live look outside shows we've had quiet conditions for most of the evening. The wet weather has moved out to our east over the portions of the coast now. We're looking at just leftover cloud cover from today's front. Right now, temperatures in the upper 40s still, but by 7 a.m. we'll dip into the upper 30s. That cloud cover sticking around through much of the day tomorrow as we're already tracking another disturbance to impact us on your Monday. Temperatures by noon right around 50 degrees. Satellite radar shows there's our first front that is now along the coast with a lot of that wet weather that we saw too. Very light rain, drizzle, mist is about all that occurred with this front as it moved through the central Texas region. You notice we have another little area of a few patchy areas of drizzle now making their way into our western hill country counties. That'll continue as we go through the overnight hours. Northwest Texas, though, clear skies right now ahead of our next system. As we go a little bit closer to home in the next 48 hours, we'll go hour by hour through the forecast. Tonight, there's a very small chance of a few areas of patchy drizzle as we go through the overnight hours. Some of that lingering into tomorrow morning as well. We'll go about 20% chance here in the Austin area. Then as we go through the day tomorrow, skies staying mostly to partly cloudy through the afternoon. And then we're watching our next front. This is going to roll through Monday night and into Tuesday, breaking up the cloud cover finally a little bit. By Tuesday afternoon, we'll finally start to see more partly sunny skies, and that means warmer temperatures into your Wednesday. Right now, temperatures across the portions of the state that have had the skies clearing are much colder than what we're experiencing here in central Texas. Low 30s, even upper 20s in places like Wichita Falls. It's 33 right now in Dallas. Where you see the cloud cover, that's where the temperatures are milder. 47 here in Austin, 56 right now in Houston. A little bit closer to home, temperatures in the hill country falling into the low 40s in places like Lampasas and Burnett, Lakeway there as well. Mid 40s in Georgetown and still some upper 40s, even 50 in LaGrange and Lockhart at this hour. Right now, partly cloudy skies and 47 out of Camp Mabry, 48 out of ABIA. Dew points in the low 30s, so that's just enough moisture to help us keep this cloud cover around through the overnight hours and through much of the day tomorrow as well. Winds will stay out of the north, anywhere between about 5 and 10 miles an hour through the overnight hours. Well, right now, here's what you can expect temperatures to be overnight tonight. In the hill country, we could see that cloud cover break up just enough to help temperatures fall into the mid 30s tonight. In the metro area will be the mid to upper 30s, and along our eastern counties, mid to upper 30s as well. Maybe a few 40s staying in there. And for tomorrow, during the afternoon, temperatures again going to be on the cool side. We'll hit the mid 50s across the board. Now tonight, here's what you can expect in Austin. 37 I should say degrees with overcast skies. A small chance for some patchy drizzle that'll last through the day tomorrow as well. Mostly cloudy skies expected for much of the day. We could start to see them break up from time to time, but temperature wise will stay in the mid 50s. Now that 7-day forecast shows Tuesday morning another cool morning, another cool afternoon behind that second front that's going to roll through. Wednesday is when we warm up a little bit nicely. After a morning close to the freezing mark, afternoon highs will top out in the low 60s, and we'll stay generally in the 30s overnight, near the 60-degree mark through the rest of the week.